more inside. Just... How many spoons you got? In that one, put it in that one. That's all gone, this one. Look here, put it in here. Put a spoon inside the box. Yeah, well done. Put it in without making it fall over. Yeah, put it on the floor there. Put it in the box. And there's the lids. Bye-bye lids.
What are you going to do with the lids, Sophia? What are you going to do with them, hey? You're going bye-bye to them?
Give them to me, thank you.
What do you want Mummy J to do with them?
I'm going to hide the lids. Look, they're hidden there. Hidden.
Hide?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a key word we meant to say is hide.
Okay.
Where are the lids? All gone.
Spoons, yeah. Excuse me. I'm ruining the video here. What have you got in there, Sophia? What's that you've got in your hands, sweet pie? You're going to open the lids?
Look, how do you open them? It's not that easy to open. Close. Open. Close.
Yes.
Feel trying to. Oh, well done, you opened it. Does the spoon fit inside? See if you can put the spoon inside and close it. It's not easy to open.
Mommy did it.
Oh, Mummy Jo did it. There. Did it together. There, see? Did it?
Here.
Here, do it. Open it.
Open it.
Really? You nearly did it. Look.
Open it.
See if the spoons fit. Doesn't fit, does it? No. I know what will fit. The litter box will fit inside. Try and put the litter box inside the big box. Oh.
Sophia's toys. Here, sorry.
Yeah.
Sophia?
Oh, I want to sit next to me.